2.1 Haute Diggity Dog Case Brief Issue and Holding. Issue 1. Does a likelihood of confusion prima facie exist between trademarks if one party can prove the other party intentionally created its trademark in similarity and association with its own mark? Holding 1. No. Likelihood of confusion does not prima facie exist even with establishment of the other party's intention to create similarity and association with one's own trademark. For statutory mandate grants certain defenses against such liabilities.